Ever wanted to bypass payment fumbles and grab that awesome app in seconds? Today, we're diving into the lightning-fast world of Apple Pay within the App Store, your gateway to seamless downloads and in-app purchases. First, let's find something you want to purchase. Scroll through the App Store, browse by category, or search for that specific app, game, or subscription that's caught your eye. Once you've landed on an app you want, tap the Get button or the displayed price. This will bring up your purchase confirmation. You'll see the item details and, crucially, the Apple Pay option if it's set up on your device. To proceed with Apple Pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or iPad. You'll then be prompted to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Just hold your device near the payment terminal if you were in a physical store. But here, it's just a digital confirmation. Once authenticated, your payment will be processed instantly. You'll see a confirmation that your purchase is complete. And just like that, your app is downloading or your subscription is activated. No need to fiddle with card numbers or security codes. Apple Pay makes buying apps, games, subscriptions, and even those tempting in-app goodies incredibly quick and secure. So next time you're in the App Store, remember the power of Apple Pay for a truly simplified digital shopping experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips.